Assalamu alaikum dear students. Myself Dr. Zahid Nazir. Today we will discuss about chapter number 13, Man and His Environment. Our discussion topic is pollution. Pollution. Dear students, you know very well, pollution is the biggest problem nowadays of our environment throughout the world. First, we will discuss what is pollution. Pollution is any undesirable change in the environment called pollution. Any undesired change, any unwanted change in the form of different gases, in the form of different toxic materials, in the form of the garbage, household trashes, as well as the waste material of, or we can say that different unwanted material of the factories are the undesirable materials which may cause pollution to the environment. You know very well, pollution basically divided into two main groups. The material pollution and the second one is non-material pollution. Material pollution, you know very well, that type of pollution which may add different unwanted materials in the environment in the form of pollution. They are called materials, and non-material are those type of the addition in the environment, either in the form of radiation or in the form of sound. Dear students, material pollution further divided into three types. Number one is the air pollution. And number second is water pollution. Number third is land pollution. Three type of pollutions are there. In the form of material pollution, the number one is air pollution, number second is water pollution, and the number third is the land pollution. In case of non-material pollution, non-material pollution subdivided into two types: radiational pollution, and number second is the noise pollution. How many types? Two types: radiational as well as noise pollution. First we will discuss about the air pollution. What is air pollution? What are its causes? We will discuss here. Number one is air pollution. Means the materials which may add polluted agents toxins, different gases in the air or environment. Air pollution, first of all we will discuss about the causes of air pollution. We can define as air pollution any unwanted materials in the air, that is called air pollution. First we will discuss the cause of air pollution. Causes. The causes of pollution, air pollution is mainly the smoke, then chemicals, especially pesticides. You know very well the smoke which may produced by the burning of fossil fuel, may be by use of petroleum products by the vehicles, as well as by the smoke of different industries, or we can say that the factories, may add it to the environment, which cause air pollution. Like that, in the smoke, number of toxic gases are there, like carbon dioxide, like carbon monoxide, as well as nitrous oxide, sulfur dioxide, and different type of the toxic gases which are present in the smoke. And that type of smoke may be produced by the industries, we have discussed already, maybe by burning of fossil fuel, maybe by the factories fuel, as well as maybe by the household burning fuels, like that organic fuel. You know very well, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbon nitrous oxide, as well as sulfur dioxide. These gases are, while added to the environment, it will cause pollution. It will be harmful for the living beings, for lives, either plants, either animals, and especially the life of a human being. While these toxic gases in the environment react with water, they will form different type of acids, and such type of acids are acids which is also called as sulfuric acid, also called nitrous acid, also called carbonic acid. While these toxic gases added with the environment, added with the water in the environment, it will produce different type of acids. While these acids while these gases in the form of water droplets drop out on the surface of earth, that is called as acid rain. And these toxic gases, the cause of acid rain. While these gases added with these toxic gases added with the water, they will produce different acids, while these acids during raining season added with the water more in the form of drops fall off on the ground, that is called as the acid rain. And acid rain, for example, this is in the form of while these acid rain droplets fall off it will cause serious problems for the living beings, for plants, for the animals, as well as for the human being. It causes serious disasters in the form of disease like that irritation of skin, as well as in the form of skin cancer, as well as in the form of the different irritations, or we can say that irritation in the eyes, or we can say that number of eye infections. Dear students, here we will discuss another effect of acid rain that will be the major portion of our archaeological buildings also may be degraded by the, or we can say that damaged by the acid rain. So this is the air pollution. This is due to the air pollution. Acid rain also due to the air pollution. And you know very well the chemicals. While these chemicals such as pesticides, which are nowadays we are using in the agriculture side for different fruits, for vegetables, as well as for different crops, these chemicals while evaporate into the environment, they may add chlorine gas in the environment, and while these chlorine gas molecules react with the ozone molecules, they may cause depletion of ozone layer, that is called depletion of ozone layer. Then this is brief about the air pollution. Now we will discuss about the second one is water pollution. Water pollution. Dear students, water pollution means pollution of water may be by added of different toxic materials, toxic chemicals in the water, especially in the ponds, in the rivers, as well as ditches and other sources of water. The main cause of water pollution is the sewage system. Sewage system. While weak sewage system and sewage water, while added to the sewage material, added to the water, these sewage water may takes different toxic material in the form of organics, in the form of sulfates, in the form of sulfides, that will pollute our sources of water and also may severely affect the lives which are present in the ponds, in the rivers, in the ditches, in the form of the plants, as well as in the form of animals. So water pollution make contaminated water which will be unfit for consumption, especially by men. And this is due to the addition of different toxic materials like sulfides, especially hydrogen sulfides, as well as different carbonates or different other materials. Especially while hydrogen sulfide added to the water, it will cause the algal bloom formation, which is called trophication in the form of eutrophication as well as oligotrophication. Eutrophication means due to the contamination of water, while these organics as well as inorganics, due to the weak sewage system added to water, it will cause contamination, and due to these chemicals the growth of algae will be increased, and the growth of algae while covers the whole surface area of the water, it is called as eutrophication. Or if in the form of patches, in the form of different patches, the growth of algae will be there, that is called oligotrophication. Oligotrophication. This is called eutrophication. Eutrophication. And this is due to the growth of algae. This is algae. This is algae, and this is called oligotrophication, or we can say that eutrophication. Due to the trophication, the more and more, which is the oxygen gas present in the form of dissolved form in the water, which will be used by the animals as well as other living beings in the water, while the population, the concentration of water is decreased, concentration of oxygen is decreased in the water, the life may be affected, animal may die as well as other living beings may die in the water. That is due to the water pollution. Now we will discuss about the land pollution. The number third one is land pollution. Land pollution. It is also the biggest problem. You know very well, the land pollution, pollution due to the garbage, due to the unwanted material present on the surface of the earth surface in the form of different waste material, either may be added due to the industrial waste or garbage material of the household. Then while these trash is present over the surface of the land may be unfit for agriculture, unfit for the householding as well as other use of mankind. Now we will discuss about the non-material pollution. That is, number first is radiational. You know very well, the radiations, especially X-rays, gamma rays, these radiations having highly penetration power, they may pass through the air, through the concrete wall as well as through the human flesh. While these radiation may uncontrolled, especially in the nuclear power plant, they may cause high disaster for the living beings, especially for plants, for animals as well as for human beings. Such type of radiation wall while passes through the human flesh may cause cancer of different body parts in case of a human being. Then the noise pollution. You know very well the noise, any undesired sound, undesired sound with a different frequency, with maybe high pitch value or with a low pitch value, that is called noise. Undesirable sound called as noise. You know very well, in case of a human being, the capacity of listening is 80 decibel for a normal human ear. While these sound reach to the upper limits above 80 decibel, that may cause noise, and noise also cause serious problem for human life, especially depression, high blood pressure and anxiety and other different types of especially health problems for mankind. Thank you, dear students.